How to tunes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Beatron AI music maker application. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see here it's the interface. So now tap on the continue button and tap again and again. There is some feature you can see here. Start my journey, and you can see so it's not free totally, like you will get some confirmation, got an invitation code, okay, maybe later. So here you can see this is the interface. So how to use it? First of all, you can see here three options: describe, lyrics, and image. If you tap lyrics and image, you can also get inspired by image. So I'm just type here get inspired. I don't have any prompt. If you have a prompt, then you can paste it here. I just tap here get inspired. Okay, more and more. Okay, maybe this one. And if you have lyrics, it's good, like you will get according to your interest, and then select mode, like which type of mode you have. So I can say it's a happy, and then you have to select your genre. So there are many genres here: pop, hip hop, rock, dance, K-pop, down tempo, Latin, house. There are a lot of genre here. I'll choose randomly. An advanced option, if you tap here, then you can choose enter song name. You can give a song name here with vocal or instrumental. You can select your gender, studio or live. You can set it and then apply. And when you're done, simply tap on the create song. So you can create song. If you invite this app to your friend, then you will get some credits. You can create 2 or 3 music in a free version. If you want to upgrade your account, then you will get more. So actually this way you can create a song, and this is AI cover. You can see if you tap the discovery, AI studio, and this is music. So it's all about easy. You can try.